Hello and welcome back to Desphixs Tech. So all the video I have seen on YouTube on how to create a subdomain on HostGator are just way too long and boring for something as easy as that. So in today's video, you'll learn how to create a subdomain under a minute in HostGator. And if you want to see more web development and programming tutorials from this channel, go hit the subscribe button now. See you there. Hello guys and welcome back to the video. So the first thing we have to do from here is go to the official HostGator site, which is hostgator.com, and sign in from here. So you have to sign into your portal from here, and let's wait for this to load up. Then you have to put in your email address and your password to sign into the portal. Okay, welcome here. So from here, all we have to do is click on this hosting over here. No matter how you're doing it in any version of HostGator, it must be from this hosting. Then click on this cPanel over here, which is the control panel, and it should open it up into another tab. Okay, this has successfully loaded up. So from here, all we have to do is scroll down to where it says domains, and we can see the subdomain link over here. Just click on it and wait for it to load up. So from here you can create a subdomain. Okay, let's say I'm creating kitchen. Let's say I'm creating kitchen as a subdomain. Then this will be the main domain, this should be the subdomain, and just click on create over here. And as you can see, kitchen.desphixs.com has been created. If you look this up on the internet down, let's say kitchen.desphixs.com, then let's search that. As you can see, sorry, this page does not exist, it has already been loaded up. Okay, let's say you want to install WordPress on it. If you want to install WordPress on it, all you have to do is go back here and go back again. So from here, all you have to do is click on the control panel, click on the control panel link over here, and click on WordPress installer here. So you should open up this softaculous page of a thing. Then from here we should choose the domain name we would like to install this to, and click on install. And from here we should choose the domain name. It's already available here, which is kitchen.desphixs.com. Then you can change the site name, let's say kitchen. Then the site description, I love foods. So let's say this is admin, and the password is 123456789 and 0. It's still bad though, and we can just leave this email address over here and click on install. So as you can see, it's installing WordPress on that subdomain. So let's just give this some seconds and we should check it out on the live internet. As you can see, WordPress has been installed on the subdomain. So from here you can open up the WordPress admin from here, or you just open up the site from here. So this is it for today's video guys. So if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to smash the subscribe button to get notified whenever I release new videos like this. Stay safe and bye.